Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about Movavi, which is a free video screen recording video. So you can record like videos like you can make for YouTube and all that stuff. And it's a bunch of benefits like slideshow maker. It's available on Windows and Apple's Media. You can do screen recording as well and deal with photo editing for work or for education. Right now, I'm doing the 7-day free trial, which is free, 100% free. And you'll have the Mojave watermark in the background. To go without it, you'll have to buy the suite, which usually costs about up to 80% off as of now. Grab the deal. If you do the unlimited program, $150. Video suite plus starter bundle, $100. You can do with editor. You can do a lot of different bundle deals from looks like from $50. A vlogger essential bundle. So cheapest one, slideshow maker and a starter bundle. You can download for free. It's 100% saved. I've checked all the specs on it. And there's also they have support center if you need to contact them. If you need software upgrade, installation, activation instruction, user manual, and cancel software, apply for a refund. Only through live chat and online support. Once you download Movavi, this is a typical video editor screen. All you gotta do is there's just like add the files. You can capture screen, record video, record audio, slideshow, and then timeline. Add a sound, how much you want, and export it. You can put it on your desktop, and then they also can do intro videos. Okay, you put it in. It really doesn't do much. Intro video just like shows a picture and it shows you like how it works. You do sample videos. And once it's inside, it takes a while to download it. It gives a percentage what to do. And you can choose like there's a lot of project files you can do. You import videos. Once it's done, you pretty much test it out, see if it works. Okay. I already did one. This is a sample. Hello, this is Cyberdragon. Today I'm going to talk about Omega.com. What it is a website. Yeah, this is like one of the videos I've done. You'll have the watermark in the background, and it's available for 7 days. Hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and support my channel, and I hope to see you guys again next time. Goodbye.